guys, I'm now in Antigua and I'm totally happy. It has been 1 week of yoga forest and now I'm back to the real world, so back to enjoying. Tonight I'm going to one of the best restaurants here for Guatemalan food in Antigua itself. So I'm staying at the place where there's typical colonial style architecture, and it's definitely different than in the yoga forest. Probably the yoga forest is difficult to top, but nevertheless, let's have a look at that one. So, see you then, bye! Good morning guys, we are here at the headquarters of OX Expedition and today we climb the Acatanengo. We start at La Concepcion and from La Concepcion we go then up to about maybe 3,500 meters, something like that, so 1,000 meters difference of height, of altitude, and we then go further on to this one here, to the Acatanengo, which is 3,976. So our guide will be Garrett, and that's this guy here.
Hi guys, how's it going, right?
He's from Wales and I have my full trust that he brings me up, and I think
Be fine.
it will be working pretty fine. So see you there, bye! So we are at the start of our climb. It looks a little bit like that. It's all foggy, so our hope is that the sun kind of carries away some of this fog. So we have almost 400 meters difference to where we started. And yeah, it's rainforest now. It's a pretty nice location. It looks very mythical, so I'm just showing you around. So let's continue here. It's a great experience. That's how I'm looking after 400 meters. Good morning guys, I'm here 250 meters away from the peak of the Acatanengo and I have an amazing view. In the background you see El Fuego, and probably just 2 days ago you heard of the explosions that were here at El Fuego on the 19th of November. So this morning we had a lot of luck. There was also an eruption. It went 110 meters high. I got really awesome pictures of that one. And then if you turn around, then you have an amazing view. Look at that. So I already thought that in Lago Atitlan it can't get any better than that. But this one is really unique. We were quite lucky yesterday when we kind of hiked up. There was a lot of mist. It was cold, the whole garment was wet, so go to sleep. You were already worried that a repetition next morning, but cleared out sky, very nice view, good pictures that you can take. Yeah, it's amazing. So see you in the next video.